All right, in today's video, I got a friend to the channel, Miss Alicia Smith. What's going on?
Hey, how are you? I'm so happy to be back
Good.
here again.
Yeah. Long time no talk to, right? It's been about 3 weeks, 2, 3 weeks, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Since the last video we did. And you already know we love collabing, which we always talk about networking, collabing, brainstorming. That's what's up. But I want to talk to you today about a program that you recently started, got involved with, like heavily with, and it's called Instant Cash Flow, right?
Direct Flow 365.
Oh, direct. What am I talking about? Why you let me sit there?
Because all my channels, I thought you knew, my bad.
Dang, dang, no. No, okay, wait. You do say instant cash flow. Like that's your
I
thing though.
do.
Well, okay.
Yeah,
See, I thought the name of the
but I
program,
always talk about, huh?
I thought that was the name of the program when we was talking, but that's you just like instant cash flow.
That's my thing. That's
That's your
my
thing.
jam.
Oh, well then guess what? I'm about to get schooled then. So you gotta school me then. School me on the
Okay,
actual program you involved with. This is perfect. School me on it
okay.
and tell people how you got involved with it and why they should get involved with it and why I need to educate myself. Go.
Awesome. Okay, so it's Direct Flow 365. I got introduced to it just by networking, being on social media, Facebook. Kim, you know Kim. I
Yeah.
actually found it was our income plan. She was promoting that. It was another opportunity with the same creator. So got involved with that, and then he created our income plan is actually on hold. He's adding some things to the opportunity,
Mm-hmm.
but it's a monthly subscription opportunity, so it creates that residual income. But he also created Direct Flow 365. The name kind of explains it. I'm big on people that I work with and names,
Right.
simplicity and cash flow. So I love the name Direct Flow 365 because you can get paid 365 direct payments to your Cash App. It's just $100 payments. It's $110 to get started. There's a $10 admin fee one time. It's a one-time payment. You pass up your second sale, so your first sale, you're already made 100% of your money back. And with that second pass up, that's why we love network marketing. It creates that leveraged income, so you're able to multiply your money and your efforts, but you only pass up one sale, and your downline passes up one sale to you, their second sale. Um, and I love it because it's direct. That's what I always talk about. It's direct cash flow. It's instant payments. I grew up always from the time that I started working. I always was looking for cash. So waitressing,
Right.
bartending, that type of stuff. I wanted to get paid the same day that I do my work. So that's what I love about it, because I feel like if you have cash flow and if you have instant payments, you have control over your money. So I like that, and it's simple. There's no courses. There's like you get a back office where you can start an email list, which is the lifeblood of any business. You're collecting an email list and building a customer base that you can sell to later on. Whatever offers you have. So you get a back office, you get a link, you get the ability to build an email list. There's a place where you can promote any other affiliate offers, and you get some
Mm.
marketing material. But that's it. Uh, it's just simplicity. It's just cash flow. So that's why I love it.
Yeah, and that's what I'm all about. Like I love simplicity. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I love things that you can, easily explain to people, easily share with people. And I like the instant cash myself. Even though the name of this ain't instant cash flow, I love instant cash flow too. Like there's nothing better than getting that, because I've been involved with other programs that you get paid via Cash App, and that does feel good. When your little phone did a little cha-ching noise, that shit dope. Like I love that. Like it's like, especially these type of opportunities, like it's nothing better than like when you chilling, like when you least expect it. Like if you watching TV or something and you hear your phone go off and you hear that, like that's dope. And that's almost even better. Money is money, but like, when you work in your 9 to 5, right? You kind of know your check coming, your direct deposit, but it's nothing better than getting that random that Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a dope feeling. So again, is this like a residual income, or is it just like $100 instant payments, or is it or what's up with that? Or is it just straight up?
It's not residual, other than you
Mhm.
get the 2 pass up. That's still not residual.
Oh,
That's
right,
just
right, okay, yeah,
yeah, that's just leverage. So that's really just multiplying your money. I love residual income because that builds you long-term wealth. This is more like just instant. It's
right,
I call it a cash cow. It's just cash flow. But
yeah,
that's like how I try to explain the difference to people between affiliate marketing and network marketing. Affiliate marketing is amazing. It's dope, but you're always going to be chasing a sale. Well, with the power of the internet, your content can do that for you, but you always need more sales. With network marketing, you're building a team that you're getting residual income from. So this one is just cash flow and instant sales. So you do need to keep bringing
just
people
keep
in,
it
keeping
going.
those payments.
But that's the thing, though, and like what you just said, to a degree, was not residual, but like when you promote, if you put out content, that content can generate sales for years.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that's dope about that. So if somebody do want to get started with you, we already talked about this. Like, what's the best way to get at you?
Facebook always. It's Alicia
I
Nicole,
know.
ALICIANICHOLE. Or I have been, because of you, you encouraged me. I've been trying
I
to
feel.
create more content
I
on
love it.
YouTube. Yeah, it is a lot easier actually than Facebook, because Facebook you have to do interaction and deal with algorithm, and like YouTube you just
Yeah.
put the content up and go. But I'm most active on my Facebook if you're looking to contact me. But you
Okay.
can comment on my YouTube as well, and I will get back to you.
So what I'll do is in the description of this video, of course, I'll put a link to her Facebook page and to her YouTube channel. So definitely go over there, subscribe to the channel, then go holler at her on her Facebook. So Alicia, I'm gonna wrap up this video because we're about to shoot another video for this channel. So if anybody interested in connecting and getting involved with the program and start generating some damn instant cash flow.
Yeah.
Definitely check her out on Facebook. Just they can just friend request you or just straight DM you. Like how it just you
You
want
can
to.
just DM me, but I would suggest friend request me, because if not, I don't always think to check my
Yeah,
message.
yeah. And let her
So
know. Let her know that you found her through this video. Let her know. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up.
yeah.
All right. So we're gonna wrap this up. And Alicia, I'll see you in a couple seconds. Peace.